Stop phone calling. You're saying people are annoying and you're calling probably that person.
Sexual healing. Sexual.
I just locked Bob out. No.
Ooh, I know a gun store we can stop at along the way.
Oh my god, I'm inside of you right now. Look at my screen. Look at my screen. Tristan. I was in. Dude, did you see that? I saw the inside of your eyeball.
I'm reloading.
That was me. You were? Oh, I was inside of Bob. Ew.
Takes me up real good.
Heal yourself. Yes? Yeah, heal yourself and then get another, and then grab another one. Tristan, you definitely heal yourself.
Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
There you go. That's mine too. I need this one. Nope, not you. I'll heal myself anyway.
You're fine. Just take your pills.
Look at all the blood at the door. I kinda...
That worked.
Let it go! Jesus. Pile up. Ow! Dick! Oh, never mind. Are you just checking?
Everybody grab their weapons. We're heading the right way to the mall.
Oh, Jesus. Watch out over there.
Oh my god.
I set fire to the asphalt.
Yeah.
Yep. There was a witch over here last time. Get off of me! No!
What?
What are you talking about? Dude, next time try to get some more distance on that.
Grenade
Don't
launcher.
think
Grenade launcher.
Gotta reload.
Jesus!
The grenade launcher, what do you think happened? I didn't even know he had that. I have my... I want to get my, hands of...
In here.
Hey, that's not cool. Seriously.
And my axe. Oh, Jesus!
Run. I'm behind. I'm looking at the tank on the wall.
And my axe! And my axe!
The fucking axe does nothing. Don't worry, guys. I killed it.
Reloading. Weapons.
I shot a freaking 3 rocket launchers at
Hold on,
him.
y'all. I gotta heal.
Oh, no one.
You can die. We can just save you.
Yeah, you can die and
Oh no, I'm taking it. Hi. And you're dead.
and my axe.
Oh god.
Ah, bring your pretty face to that.
Oh god.
Nailed it.
Who's a katana? You have a katana? Dude.
I actually run into people.
And my axe. Oh, spitter!
Hey, can somebody watch my back? I'm gonna heal.
We got separated because of the
Can you stop
What?
for a sec? I have something for you.
I'm gonna beat you.
Shit. You gotta quit moving so I can heal you.
Better.
I go. There's a jockey or hunter or something. Something gross here somewhere.
Oh god.
Reloading. Hey, watch out!
Classic Alex, never helping teammates.
Oh, sweet.
Well, I was getting weapons and stealing health and ninja looting health back.
Oh, that'd be a bummer.
Reloading.
Over the dumpster.
You are jumping all over the place. You are hippity hopping all the way home. Well, this is gonna be a party. Get in the corner, Bob. Why'd you throw a Molotov? Bob, stop fucking panicking. You're so panicky.
This time I'll be in a real hustle. I will throw everything.
Tristan, come here. Come here.
Hold on now, let me hear you.
Let me get all up in you.
Health pack. I'm gonna use it.
Holy!
Same pills. I'm gonna use those instead.
I got pills.
Oh yeah. Alright.
Can we?
Propane tank.
There is nothing in here. Holy shit!
I don't like the sound of the crying. Lights off.
There, now we're even.
Tristan is a spiteful god.
Okay, so after this game, I'm gonna host because Ben is doing so hard. Your internet is really bad.
Hey, you might need these.
Like,
Ammo up here.
No, I know, but no, you're not on my. Oh, hi.
No, Tristan's on his own. We're all on ours.
Yeah, because. Oh, hi. Ah! Fucker! I really can't.
And I will always love you.
What's happening to me?
I may or may not have started the witch. I didn't see her down there. I'm also pinned by a hunter. I regret every decision I've ever made in my life. She's coming up! She's coming up! Protect me, Squire!
Weapons over here.
She wants me! She wants me! I did it.
Weapons over here.
Hey, you're bad. I'm sticking down. Yeah, that would not.
Oh, I regret everything. I regret everything. Oh my god, I hate my life.
Oh my god, so many. Alex, get back up here.
I can't.
You can.
In what world would I be able to make this jump? I mean, in the real world.
Wow.
Have fun with that charger.
Hey, look out! I'm down.
Yeah, have fun with that.
Reload.
You're done, leaving you.
Hey, that's not cool. Seriously.
Sorry, we can't get over there and help you.
Healing. We're heading the right way.
Zombies, it's burning shit.
I will
Healing.
also heal
Cover me,
myself.
please. Oh, yeah.
We have to!
I know you have to. I'll miss you.
We'll find you in a closet somewhere.
Not in the closet.
Ninja sword here.
Yeah.
We can get up here. Ninja sword here.
What do they say when they charge in with their swords? What do they yell? What do the Japanese yell? No!
Yeah.
What?
Or great.
Banzai! I'm gonna yell that.
No, they scream Ohio gun violence.
I think that gun store's just up ahead.
What?
Hazmat, guys.
That's what Ohio gun violence.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning to you.